Hello everyone, and welcome to another JavaScript tutorial. Alright, so last tutorial we went over document.write. Today we're going to go over variables. Variables are, in the simplest way, a way to store data. So let's say we ended up using document.write hello world 5 times, or 500 times, or 50 times, it really doesn't matter, just several times. Well, other than copying and pasting it, if we had to type it out every single time, do we really want to have to write hello world over and over when there's a shorter way to where we could potentially just have to type one letter? That's what a variable is, the one letter. The one letter represents its value. So, var for variable. It tells JavaScript we're about to declare a variable. Var, and we're going to call it t for text, equals hello world. Semicolon. Remember that semicolon. Now, I will explain this. Var for variable. It means declare a variable. T, that is the name for a variable. The equal sign tells T that, okay, you have your name, now I'm going to tell you your value. For strings, and what a string is a group of characters, alphanumeric. Actually doesn't have to be alphanumeric. Just a string of characters inside quotation marks, which in JavaScript and most other computer languages, putting something in quotation marks means it's a group. It's a single entity. It's not individual entities, it's a single entity. So our value is a single entity of a string. Granted, that string, that single entity, has 2 words. It is still a single entity. And then, of course, our semicolon to follow the syntax, which ends our statement. So var t equals hello world. So if we run this, it will still only say hello world. Actually, it will say hello world, what's up guys? I forgot we put that in the body. I apologize. Hello world, what's up guys? Actually, we won't close this. Document.write hello world. Well, let's change that to T. And let's take that out, because we really don't need it anymore. And in Eclipse, if you want to take out an entire line, just hit Control D, as long as you have that line selected. Var t equals hello world, and now, instead of writing hello world in here, we are using the letter T. If we go over here and we refresh, we see it still writes hello world. And just to prove it to you guys that it is not because I'm like, it's not that I'm pulling a fast one on y'all by having a different page than hello world. Let's change this to a number. Bow, bow, bow. Numbers do not have to be in quotation marks. In fact, they should not be in quotation marks if you plan on using them in a mathematical equation. We'll go with 2. No, 7. Because that's like my favorite number. Because it's random for a lot of stuff. We see it is now printing the number 7. Next tutorial will be on mathematical equations. we will be using variables. Or, well, if you wanted to use something other than a number, other than a string, something that told you whether or not something was true, those are called booleans. All you do is put in true or false. We're going with false right now. It will echo, or it will write false. Or you can put true. Those are the three basic variable types. There are others, but we will not go over those until a later time. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Please hit the like or dislike button corresponding to how you felt about this video, and I will catch you guys later.